Are you on?
We are just on just now.
Well, hello there. We are returning to do a repeat of the Three Little Pigs craft kit review. Is it review? It's review because I've done them. We did it in the first place, but we had no sound because of somebody's stupidity. Had turned off the Bluetooth to the microphones. So when we went to upload it, it had no sound. So we're doing it again. So, Three Little Pigs craft kit. Is it an Anchor craft kit?
It is, yes.
Anchor craft kit. Right. Little Piggy number uno is what colour?
That's red.
Red. Well, it's a pink pig, I imagine.
Yes.
With little red dungarees.
That's right.
And a little tail sticking out of his back end of his dungarees. So that is Piggy number one.
With his little cap.
Oh yes, his little cap. Oh, is he the one with the flat cap?
Yes. More flat.
His little flat cap in the red. My phone there in the way. I'll put that one there. Piggy number two. If I can find it. And it's not the wolf. That's the wolf. Piggy number two is green
dungarees, yeah.
Green dungarees with a little cap. Different. So just kind of like a baseball cap thing, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
With again a cute little curly tail out of his dungarees.
Comfort matters.
Of course. You don't want to have your tail all stuck in your dungarees, do you?
Nope.
That would not be very comfortable. So that is Piggy number two. And a Piggy number three.
Your lipstick's worn off except for two spots. Like the top of your Cupid's bow. You look like you've got like a little waiter moustache. You know, the thin. You want to wipe that off. It's not going anywhere.
No, I have a moustache. Pretend it's lipstick. It's actually just a moustache.
It's on just on the very top parts of your Cupid Bowie bit. Shows that's better.
Is that better?
A little bit, yeah.
Well, the makeup was done this morning, and it is now this evening, and we've had all day and half a bottle of vodka since then, so it's come off. Anyway, Piggy number three.
Have we ever done a video sober?
I don't think so. Piggy number three. Yeah. I decided to go a bit off what?
Off tail.
Off script, as it were. I decided to do a little piggy with a dress. Yeah. Because, maybe not all little piggies want dungarees. Maybe some little piggy want to wear a dress. So I did a little dress instead. Yeah. Pattern was yellow dungarees. But I decided to do a little dress instead. Why not? So that is my own design of little piggy dress. And still little piggy curly tail coming out of the little dress. And it doesn't quite cover. So it's, it's kind of cute, isn't it?
It's very cute. It's really sweet.
So
it really is.
Yes, little piggy dress. So why not?
Why not, indeed?
Why not? It takes all sorts, doesn't it? And finally, for little pigs, we need a woof. And this is woof. Are
Yeah,
you there?
I'm
What
right
are you doing?
Sorry, I was getting the book out.
What book? Oh, the book.
Yes.
The book for Three Little Pigs,
Yes.
of course. This is the little Wolf, and he has little hairy bits down in his belly like that, and a little
beaver tail.
Beaver tail. I don't understand the beaver tail.
It's what the pattern says.
It's what the pattern says, so that's what I did.
Yeah.
Little Wolf with a beaver tail. I don't get it. But did you redo the?
I've not redone the
You've
eyes.
not redone the
yet,
eyes
no,
because
I won't
you weren't
redo
happy
them.
with the
I'm
eyes.
not
Yeah.
happy with the eyes, no, because they were I did them with the cotton that came with the kit.
Yeah, so you
And
didn't think it was very
I
good,
don't
did
like
you?
it, so I'll be redoing all of them to wool
The wool instead, yes.
Yeah.
Because you weren't keen, were you?
I was not. I don't think it looks good. I think the ones I did with wool, which were the Owl and the Pussycat,
yeah,
those I did with the wool, and that looked much better.
yes.
So all of these are going to come out and
take them
replace
off
with wool.
What about the nose? Do you not like the nose?
No, the nose looks fine, but when
Just
I do
the
redo the
eyes?
eyes, I might add something on there as well. We'll see.
Yes. So, it's not the big bad wolf, is it? It's just the wolf. It's a big bad wolf with a Red Riding Hood.
I don't know. Is it? It might be.
I don't know. I can't remember.
Is it the same wolf?
It's the same pattern for the wolf, I think.
Yes, I know. I mean, in the fairy tales.
Oops.
The wolf that eats the grandma, is it the same wolf that's going after the pigs, or is it a different wolf?
I don't know. I think it's a different fairy tale, isn't it? So it would be a different wolf.
It's the same.
It's the same pattern for wolf anyway, so. Although I did it slightly different. I did the belly bit a bit different.
Yeah.
I thought I liked it a bit better than that one. So I did that one differently.
Yeah.
We got the book.
I do have the book.
Yes, we are doing little what? What do we do? Little bedtime story bags. So we have the little. Is that the way around? No, is that the way around?
That's right.
And so we're doing the little book for you to read the story. And then we're having the little characters, and then we're having a little bag to keep it all in. Are you going to embroider the bags?
I'm going to embroider the bag with the name of the fairy tale and maybe just a simple line embroidery of some element of the fairy tale in the tote. Actually, what I was thinking of was the tote could be personalised if somebody wanted me to embroider
Yes,
their child's
with
name
names on it. Yes.
Yeah. So we'd offer that.
It just make a really nice gift.
Yeah.
I don't know if people read bedtime stories. Well, if they don't, they should.
Yes.
Really.
Yeah.
So in a book, and then as you're reading the story, either the parent or the child can have the characters as they're reading the book.
And act out
what's happening in the story.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought it's just really.
Yeah, and then you've got.
It's really cute.
Yeah, you've got your little bedtime bag.
Bedtime bags, yes.
Yeah.
So,
which I think.
So really the nice book, the bag, and the.
Yeah.
And the characters. Huff and I'll puff, blow your house down.
Yeah.
So, there. Was it the hairs on my chinny chin chin? Is it?
Yes, I think so.
Yes.
It's been
it's been a while. Yes. So
read fairy tales.
So that is from the Anchor.
Amigurumi. Three Little Pigs.
Yes.
Intermediate kit.
Is it an intermediate kit? Intermediate kit. What was the Red Riding Hood one?
Intermediate, I think it turned out.
Was it? Yeah. I thought it was a basic one.
No, those were the intermediate ones. I think I would have to. I might be telling you one, but the one with the fox and the ones with the.
Oh, they were really.
They were the basic ones. But I think these. Yes. I'll go back and check. But I think they were. I think they actually were intermediate ones.
Well, they're very easy.
Yeah.
They're very easy to do. And they're all the same pattern.
Yeah.
The same arms, the same legs. Same head and the body. The only thing that's different are the ears and the snouts, really, and
Yeah.
the tails. Everything else is all the same pattern, so it's very easy to do. And it's all the same stitch, so
And the good thing
it's
is
really
that once
simple.
you've mastered this pattern,
No.
then you can pretty much make any animal you like just from
Yes,
keeping
absolutely.
the basic pattern.
Yes.
You know, go your own way with it.
Yes, yes. So, it's very simple. Very, and it works. I think it works. And, you can adapt it like I did with the dress.
Yes.
Instead
maybe
of the
a little
dungarees.
personal touch as well, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't have to stick to the pattern.
No.
You can go off-piste and do your own thing.
Yeah.
Just do the basic, follow roughly the basic pattern and just make a few tweaks to make it a little different, make it your own.
Yeah.
But, the 3 little pigs.
Didn't we say 4 out of 5? Do you remember?
We did for the Red Riding Hood.
Yeah.
But this is exactly the same as the Red Riding Hood. Again, it's just that the what am I talking about? The diagrams.
Yes.
Because it's not a it's not what?
I don't know.
It's a diagram rather than a kind of a step-by-step instructions.
Yeah, it gives you
It's a diagram, so you have to understand the diagram, and they're not standard, are they?
No, they're not. It really
The key. You don't get a key, so you don't know what. If you don't understand it, then you don't understand it because there's no key telling you what the symbols mean. So you need to understand it before you do it.
Yeah.
So that's why it's a 4.
Yes.
It's just because of the diagram. Because the steps of thumbs are really easy.
You also had to adjust the dungarees, didn't you?
Dungarees.
Were the dungarees a bit?
No, the dungarees were fine.
Oh, were they?
The dungarees were fine. Yes.
Didn't I have to alter one to tighten it?
We did. They're a little bit big around the waist.
Yeah.
So you might want to nip them in at the waist a little bit, but other than that,
cute,
I mean,
nice,
it would still
simple
work,
clips,
but just a few tweaks here and there.
Yeah.
But it works. It's fine. It's fine.
It's really cute
for for a little kit.
Yes.
But you might just want to tweak it a little bit. Yeah. But I think for the diagram, I think if you are a crocheter and you know what you're doing, that you probably would understand the diagrams anyway. It's just if you don't know, if you're not used to them, then you probably wouldn't know what they're all about. But probably from intermediate level, you probably already know. Yeah. So
from Googling and from talking to my friend, it's like there are a couple of different symbols that are commonly used to mean the same sort of stitches. So there are a couple of variations. So once you know all the possible variations, you can probably read it. It's like maybe 2 different sort of dialects, maybe.
Yes. But if you're absolutely a beginner, then you might not know what you do.
There we go. Very, very cute.
That's it.
Yes.
3 little piggies.
Bedtime.
2 in dungarees, 1 in a dress.
Yes.
And a little
Components
woof.
of the bedtime bag.
Bedtime bag.
Bye.
Oh, like and subscribe.
Oh, yes, like.
Keep forgetting that bit, please.
Share,
comment, whatever else there is to do. I don't know. But, if you feel inclined, please do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.